Hi, I'm Asha, aka Asha Colbert. I'm doing a voiceover to this video just because my microphone didn't work with my camera. I hope you enjoy my video and happy Halloween! That's my cat, Savannah. She's so lovely. She's always next to me, that's why she's helping me with this DIY today. Cause I need to spray paint few things. She wasn't there when I was spraying it, don't worry. Hi Savannah. I need to spray paint these little snakes I got from Amazon and a headband I got from Boohoo. Unfortunately the green paint, it just fell off. It was all crusty and messy when I got it delivered, but I didn't have time to get another one. So that's what it is. I love gold. I could have everything in gold. Just look at these. I know where the head is from this little snake. Well, Medusa struggles, you know. Someone tried to chop my head off, but I was faster. And that's what we've got. This clip is so random, I'm just painting my nails black, nothing else. It's really random, I know. Before I start my makeup, I need to prepare my skin. All the products I'm using will be in the description below. Here I'm using snail gel first, and then the serum from The Ordinary. Making that skin nice and smooth. So relaxing. And here I'm using my product. I made it myself. It's a lip scrub with real honey from Poland, with vanilla and oils. It's really nice right now when it's cold outside and our lips get dry. And here is my product as well, a lip gloss I made. I will be talking about my brand soon on this channel, but the things for my brand I will be posting on a new channel. And now it's time to put the base. So I'm putting a concealer under my eyes. Tap tap tap, tap 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 tap, tap 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 tap. Now time for foundation. I don't put much. I don't really like much makeup on. Again, tap tap tap. Don't forget to tap. Don't smudge it, just tap. Tap 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 tap. And here is the time when we set our base with powder. Most of the products I'm using are just from Superdrug. I don't like to pay a lot for makeup because I don't do it professionally. Alright, this is a weird part. Basically, we're gonna try to recreate a snake skin. I don't know why I'm saying we are gonna recreate it, like I'm doing it, but it's fine, just ignore it. So yeah, I'm using a stocking. some weird stuff. Beautiful, look at that. I'm using Makeup Revolution palette. Here, mixing as dark green, dark brown and some black eyeshadows. And here what we've got. It's not bad, eh? Transforming from a kinky angel to a snake. Wow. Look at that. Now it's time for the eyes. I'm using Makeup Revolution palette. And the second palette I'm using is from Beauty Bay. And look at this. Oh my god. It's just so beautiful. When I saw it on website, I'm like, yes, I'm getting it and I'm gonna be a makeup artist with no qualifications. I don't know how to do makeup. Okay, I don't. So here I'm putting, oh my god. I'm putting a white eyeshadow on both of my eyelids. Now this darker green. And I will try to make a shape like a cat eye. Kinda cat crease and cat eye, you know, mixing it. I really don't know what I'm doing, I'm just improvising. Here we're getting somewhere. And now I'm gonna use brown eyeshadow, you know, to get that dimension. Blending, 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 and blending, blending, blending. Make it more cat's eye. I know I should start smiling more. Okay. Here what we've got. Now we're gonna use this pretty light green-ish color. Put it on a lower eyelid. Wink wink. And now it's time for gold. Of course. Gold. It goes in the center of my eye to make it sparkle. Now I'm gonna use two of these eye pencils. One is white on my waterline. I know if you would like to go for a more natural look, I advise you to get a beige natural color. What is this shade called? See, I'm not a makeup artist. And here I need to sharpen my pencil, of course. I forgot to do this. And it broke. Yeah. Let's try again, shall we? No. Yeah. Yes? Please? Hey, there we go! This eye pencil was really soft. It was hard to sharpen it. And here I'm trying to make a shape for my eyeliner I'm gonna use later on. Makeup is such a beautiful thing. You can look really crazy before the end result. Just like I am looking right now. Look at this eye. So I put my lashes behind the camera, as well as I've done my inner corner behind the camera. Here I'm really improvising. So I'm using a bronzer, doing some contouring. And I forgot to put my lash on. So here it is. Hey. Pose it, pose it. Strike the pose. And here we are. Making our lips snaky. I'm using the same black eye pencil I was using to create the shape for my eyeliner. I really wanted to draw a mustache. I don't know why. It was just stronger than me, you know. Hey! So I'm trying to create a shape of snake mouth. Well, it's kind of like Joker smile, you know. But it will work, trust me. Oh girl, I see some flirting. Oh way. I was getting kind of pissed off. Yeah, here I am so pissed off because I had to fix it behind the camera. I don't know what this face is. Oh well. I'm using a green lip pencil for it to fill it up. And yeah, here I am hungry as I'm fixing it with concealer. Well, baby girl, it's gonna be fine. At the end, you'll see. Trust the process. Yeah. The moment I couldn't wait for. Look at my happy face. 'Cause it's gold. It's gold flakes. Yes. It's just so beautiful. I was about to cry. I'm so emotional. I would not recommend using eyelash glue for this because I was using eyelash glue. I would recommend to buy a glitter glue, but I didn't have time to go and buy it. So here's what I've got. This was so messy actually. It's everywhere in my house. I think I will find it for another few weeks or months. In these clips, I'm just trying to find an idea what to do with these little snakes. So I've glued them to my face. Hey. Now it's time for the teeth. I didn't make a video how I make them, but if you would like one, just drop a comment down below like you want one and I'll make a video for you. Here, I'm just trying my scary faces for the rest of the video. The cringy part. Oh well. Some last touch-ups, try-ons. And here what we've got. I didn't mention this, but I really like sneaks. And here I put my contact lenses in. I could see oh, so that's why I'm not in the center of this frame. And this is my cute Savannah. She didn't like this. She just wanted to sleep. But she told me before she wanted to be a YouTube star. That's why I wanted to feature her as well. Taking my contact lenses out. It was easier than putting them in, trust me. Guys, I'm really sorry about this autofocus, but I had no control over it. So here it's me as a Medusa. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please drop a comment down below and tell me if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. You know, I forgot what to say. Like my video. That's it. I'll leave you to it now. Oh, here is just me dancing. Some silly stuff. Bye. Hi guys, it's me again. I would like to tell you a few things. So, I'm doing this voiceover, it's already 3 a.m. and I've been doing this for 2 hours now, so I may sound tired or a little bit boring. I'm sorry. I'm trying my best. I haven't made a video on YouTube in last 5 years, so this was a long break. But I'm back at this again, and hopefully I will get used to this new normal thing, you know. I want to do this more often, and I hope you guys will like my ideas and videos and you will support me, as I always like to support you. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening. Have a good night or day. Remember, everything is possible. Just work on it.